Hello and welcome to Prom Strings. My name is Henriette and today we're practicing Cakewalk. And Cakewalk is played in the key of C major. So let's warm up our fingers and play a C major scale. I'm playing every note twice with long bows. So here is Cakewalk. I'm playing it at a slower pace first. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Two, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now what I want you to practice is bar 2, and bar 2 I'm going to play a 4th finger on both times you play the A. So we're practicing this. And let's do that again. And I really want you to tap your 4th finger onto the string really hard. Here we go once again. And well done. Now let's take a look at bar 15. That's after the rests on the first line. Here we go. And do that once again. And so when you play this bit, check out my finger pattern. So my first finger is a normal one, F sharp, G is right next to it, and then you've got your 3rd finger on the A string. We'll do that bar, there's 2 bars, 15 and 16, once again. And well done. Now let's go back to the beginning and speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4.